All right, so what you just seen is me ripping out those 3 cabinets. I ripped those 3 cabinets out for several different reasons. The cabinets were too low to put any of my tall tools over here in this corner if I wanted to, such as my bandsaw, my drill press, or my dust collector. Also the cabinets went all the way to the ceiling, so that eliminated the chance of putting dust collector across the crack here, or the corner of the ceiling and the wall up here. So that was the 2 motivations from removing those cabinets. The other reason is I pulled an audible on the workbench, and instead of building 1 small cabinet right here, I'm going to build 1 tall locker cabinet here that comes about 5 inches away from the ceiling. That way I can run dust collector across the top if I wanted to. So that's the game plan today: build this large locker cabinet and then probably start on some of the drawers in the main workbench, and maybe even get a top on this today. So that's our game plan today. Before I go any further, I'd like to thank Tiger Ply for sponsoring these videos by donating all the plywood for this build. I chose Tiger Ply again this year because the very low voids in the plywood, so I don't need to put any edge banding or hardwood face to cover up that edge. I actually really like that look in a shop, showing that edge of the plywood, much like my miter station wall. So I really like that look, and this plywood is perfect for that because it don't show any of those voids, because it don't have any voids. And also the other reason I chose Tiger Ply is because of the people I deal with at Tiger Ply are just top notch, and I can't ask for a better partner to deal with. So go check out Tiger Ply in the description below, and let's get on with this build. Close. All right, I am going to cut the video off here. I'm going to finish up a few little things and then come back to you on a third video and wrap this whole thing up. Thank you for sticking around, and thank you for checking out this project. If you haven't become a subscriber yet, I encourage you to do so. I got plenty of other videos, well over 300 videos actually, to check out. So become a subscriber and hit that little bell notification. Don't forget to check out Tiger Ply's website. I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll also put the first video in this series down below as well. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.